making a video about the repairability and condition of the roof for Allstate. And I'm Andy Menchaca with Palmetto Roofing Specialties. So we're gonna give it a shot. Here's one of the wind damage that was over here. So we'll come in. All right, you getting a good zoom in on? All right, so we're trying. I mean, you can see this is not, all right. This is so brittle, I can't, all right, we'll do it again. We'll keep going to show you. This is just not gonna work. When you have a shingle this brittle, so I'm gonna try to get in on this side because we gotta get on this side. All right, you can see it's sticking and it's actually ripping through. The adhesive is completely on the mat, and that's ripped off on the other shingle. Just from me pulling that up, trying to get that up, if you zoom in there, there's a small crack that happened right there. We'll give it a shot on the other side because I've got to do something here anyway because we messed this up. So I'm gonna have to at least try, yeah. This is really brittle. So a brittle test isn't really conducive in this, even if I did. There's your brittle test. Here's another one. We'll do it right here. Even though this is a broken shingle, this isn't how it would work. Here's your brittle test. You get the nail in there, boom, boom, right there. This roof is unrepairable. There's no way that the adhesive is gonna hold up to anything. It's gonna be systemic the whole way up. As we keep taking shingles out, the one above it's gonna crack like this, and look at that. Already this is not repairable, in my opinion. I've been in this a long time.